The court is back in session and calls number M329356. And I have before me a document that is titled English Statement 1 for all foreign nationals except those from mandatory notification countries. Now, Mr. Gutierrez, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled signature? Now, on this document, I'll just read it again. It says that as a non-U.S. citizen who is being arrested or detained, you may request that we notify your country's consular officers here in the United States of your situation. You may also communicate with your consular officers. A consular officer may be able to help you obtain legal representation and may contact your family and visit you in detention, among other things. If you want us to notify your consular officers, you can request this notification now or at any time in the future. Do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time? No, and then you did circle no, is that correct? And Mr. Cole,
That's my signature.
you signed here as a witness. All right. Now, also going back to State's Exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment, there's a paragraph that is titled citizenship. And it reads as follows. If you are not a U.S. citizen, a plea of guilty or nolo contendere may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Mr. Gutierrez, do you understand that?
Yes.
And do you still want us to go forward with your plea bargain? Okay, please have Mr. Gutierrez to initial next to this paragraph. Now I find that he.
You initial? Yeah,
Thank you. Now, Mr. Gutierrez, again, before you signed and initialed all of these documents, your attorney went over these documents with you. And did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay. And Mr. Cole, pursuant to Padilla versus Kentucky, did you go over the consequences of your client not being a citizen entering a plea of guilty or no contest in this case?
Actually, I didn't.
Okay.
Would you?
Yeah, okay. You could take a moment to do that.